Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a bedroom cleanup and hopefully a closet organization. That is, if maintenance will come out and fix my closet. So in my last video, I showed you guys that my closet was broken and all my clothes fell and there was stuff all over my bedroom, purses, shoes, clothes, and it just looked like a tornado came through here. 2 days in a row I called maintenance, but nobody showed up. I live in an apartment, so obviously I have to deal with maintenance, but I'm assuming that a broken closet wasn't that important, which I totally understand, and that's okay, but I'm gonna be calling them again today and hopefully they will come out and help me. If not, I don't know what I'm gonna do. I guess maybe I'll just have to fix it myself. But until maintenance comes, I'm going to clean up this bedroom, so let's get started. P.S. My husband was just sick a few days ago and now he got me sick, so if I sound different, that is why. And to be honest, I don't feel good today. I got the body chills, I've got a swollen sore throat, and I'm not even in the mood to clean, but this is something that needs to be done. I'm probably not gonna clean the rest of my apartment because today I could care less, but I am cleaning up this bedroom because I can't take my clothes sitting around on the floor.
So I'm going to start off by making my bed first. And a lot of y'all have asked about our blanket situation, so I just figured I would explain it real quick. The black and white blanket is a decorative blanket that we just put on top of our bed for decoration, and then we sleep with the white blanket that you'll see me putting on after I put on my top sheet. So yeah, just in case you were wondering, we do sleep with a blanket, we just don't sleep with the black and white one because it is decorative. So now I am just going to pick up some of the garbage laying around. We spend a lot of time in our room at night, so our nightstands collect water bottles and Coke cans. So I'm just getting rid of the garbage, and then I'm going to fold these clothes on the floor, which are clean, and put them away in the closet. Hey, look at me, I'm using a wash rag and not a paper towel. Yay! Okay, so anyways, I'm just taking everything off of Alan's nightstand and I'm wiping it down with that Clorox cleaner. And just so you guys know, this cleaner does not contain bleach or ammonia. So that's why I'm able to use it on pretty much any surface and it's all good. You can see in this clip how OCD I am because I start sitting things down and then I start moving it around and rearranging it, and it was really driving me crazy, honestly. I know this clip was long, but I wanted to share that. Now, as you can see here, I am spraying my bed with that Tide fabric refresher because it smells amazing and I want to smell it on my bedding, okay? And now I'm just going to start taking everything off of my nightstand and wiping it down as well. I feel like my nightstand is constantly covered in so much stuff. Hey look, there's my weave. But seriously, like, I put everything on top of my nightstand and it just gets so cluttered and it drives me crazy. So I'm taking everything off of it and I'm going to wipe it all down. So now I'm just wiping off my mirror with this rag because, believe it or not, our apartment gets a lot of dust all the time and it drives me crazy. So I'm just going to wipe it off with this rag first, and then I'm going to clean my mirror down with some Windex. This next clip here is for those of you who ask, where is my wedding ring? Here is my wedding ring. I just don't wear it when I clean or cook because I don't want it getting dirty, but this is my ring, okay? I do have one.
So I just got off the phone with the front office and they let me know that they're not going to be able to fix my closet today, which means I'll have to do the reorganizing in a few days whenever they come to fix my closet. So yeah, I guess I'll just add that in when the day comes and then piece this all together, edit it, and make a new video. In the meantime, I guess I'm going to go through all of my clothes, my shoes and all that, and get rid of some stuff, set it to the side, list it on Poshmark if you want to check out my Poshmark closet. If you don't know what Poshmark is like a selling app where you can sell clothes, shoes, whatever. And yeah, so I'm going to list some of my items on there if you guys want to check it out. My username is Lady Cookie Luck, and yeah, you can check out my closet if you want to. So yeah, even though I'm not feeling well, I think I'm gonna go ahead and do that just to get that out of the way because it's driving me crazy. And I have to wait for them to come fix my closet, which really sucks, but I can be patient and wait, I guess. Even it's annoying, but okay. So this is what my closet's looking like right now. 2 shelves are down and there's just stuff everywhere, and I'm going to start going through my clothes, my shoes, purses, whatever else. I'm going to list what I want to get rid of and put the rest to the side for now. So I'm so happy my closet finally got fixed and the guy secured it really well in there for me so I can put all my clothes. Yay! And I have to figure out what I'm going to do with all the junk, but I'm going to start reorganizing now. So now I'm going to start taking everything out of my closet. If you are interested in cleaning out your closet, rearranging it, organizing it, whatever, the first step that I would do is literally, I don't care how much it is, look at what I'm doing right now. Take everything out of there. I didn't take the shoes out because I knew that I wanted the shoes to stay right there on the floor. But your first step should be emptying your entire closet. Go through all of your clothes, go through everything, get rid of stuff that you don't want or need or use. Put it to the side, make a maybe pile or something. Figure out what you want to do with it. But just get everything out of there first and start all over from scratch. Okay, so this is what I've got done so far, and looking through this camera, I can see that I have a lot of blush colored stuff. So because this is winter, I have my tank tops and stuff towards the back. So I just kind of organized this here. This is a bunch of my new stuff I got for Christmas. These are long sleeves. I've got some jogging suit, sweater, jacket. These are just all of my t-shirts, so short sleeves. I don't know what category these are in, but these are some tank tops, and then it just goes into like kimonos and light sweaters, cover-ups, vests, and then some dressy shirts, and the dresses all the way to the back because I don't really wear dresses that often, but I like to own them, which is weird. I know. But anyway, so yeah, this is how my clothes are looking so far. I've got some jackets hanging up down here, but I have to finish hanging stuff up, and then I'm going to organize purses, I guess. And then I have to go through all of this stuff. I don't even know what half of this stuff is, but yeah, this is not going to be fun.
So now I'm going through that big pile that was sitting on the floor, and it's basically jeans, shorts, leggings, pajamas. I don't know, there was just a bunch of stuff in there that I just had piled up, and I wanted to go through it all and refold everything and make it nice and neat. Now I'm just putting my purses back on top of the shelf, and as you can see, I'm getting a little OCD with the placement. That kind of stuff drives me crazy, but I think it turned out nice the way I put it. So I was completely wore out after doing this closet, and this big laundry basket you see right here, I'm not even about to go through because ain't nobody got time for that. It is filled with workout outfits and like bikinis and all that. I'll have to deal with that another day because this was too much on me all at once. And here is the finished result. I am done with my closet. I am so thankful that maintenance came out and fixed my shelves because it was driving me crazy. But everything is all clean and nice and neat now, and I am totally loving it. So anyways, just want to say thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and leave me some comments down below. I would love to hear from you, and give this video a thumbs up and let me know maybe some ideas of something you guys would like to see next, and I will put it into my box of consideration. Alright then, I'll see y'all next time. Bye. And P.S. I still have to deal with this pile of clothes and shoes, but I did list some of that on Poshmark, so go check it out. And oh yeah, here's my cats. They wanted to tell you guys goodbye, so goodbye from the kitties.